All right, we got 12-foot roof panels, and the last time I did this, I didn't use sharp enough scissors, and it ended up cracking a lot of these panels. So I'm going for some newer scissors, hoping that this is going to cut a little more cleanly. We're going to cut at 6 feet right in the middle. We'll do one panel, cut one, and then use that as the measuring.
As long as I can do this, it's actually not.
Yeah, just keep going. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, the other way.
Definitely easier with 2 peaks. I already like the coverage of this right now. Let's position these. Let's just say like this. Final look at the roof panels. Let's see how it does in this next storm. All right, night one has passed, and I'm checking in on this area of our house after installing 6-foot roof panels. And right now it is a huge improvement, because prior to this we had basically a flooded area over here. All of this was full of water. There is a little bit of water down here, but most definitely better than the 4-foot panels that I had previously installed here. So you can see the 6-foot panels there go a foot beyond the pergola on either side. This is still completely dry over here, which is great. This side of the house is dry. I can hear the water being channeled down the gutters, which is great. I can see the water sloping away down this way, down to the roof line here. If you listen carefully, you can hear the water moving through the gutters. So 6 feet was definitely better than 4 feet. Basically the splash zone moved a little further away from this area here. So you know, not 100% dry, but definitely content with that. So that's good. There was a little bit of a flappy area here, so I had to weigh it down with some clamps right there, which provided some weight. Otherwise that would have been flapping in the wind. We did decide to move down the shade sails. I may put them back, but it was pretty windy last night. Fish pond, looks like these roof panels did their job. Not a ton of water got through there. Over here is a different story. I did not secure these roof panels to the drain pipe here. Did not account for heavy wind, so at some point when there's a break in the storm here, I'm gonna have to get up there and reposition these roof panels, because we lost one. There's one right there. This one was up there, and then another one somewhere up there got shifted around. So I was actually counting on this shade sail to provide some sort of leverage to keep the roof panels in place. Let me move this here. I actually might move this because I don't like the dripping water here on the wood. This area here is actually known to have some rot, so I'm gonna adjust this. But over here you can see completely dry. The roof panels are in place. However, right here, this in the middle of the night got flown off, so I need to adjust that. You can see the water here has come down and basically hit the house. There's some splash on the door here, but before having any sort of roof panel, this whole wall, including the door, was completely drenched. All of this stuff down here was drenched. So I lost a roof panel or two, so I gotta get up there and adjust this. Okay, we had a little bit of a break in the rain this morning, and the panel that was missing here I was able to put back in place. So now we're more dry here underneath the porch area. I did move this shade triangle away from the pole because water was collecting on the cloth and then basically dripping down onto the pole, which I didn't want. So I moved the triangle further away, and then I weighed it down with a little boulder there so that it's not going to flop around in the wind. All right, so that's going to solve the wetness area here. Right now we're dry right now, which is good. We're expecting at least another 4 days of rain here, so I'm glad I was able to get a little break in the rain to fix that panel. At some point, I should probably permanently attach these panels to this drain pipe here with some screws, but for now we're gonna make do with what we got. I'm not gonna get up there right now. Alright, now taking a look, you can see those roof panels up there doing their job. All the water is being channeled away. Alright, I think that's it for now. 6-foot panels are working better than the 4-foot panels. I'm pretty happy with what's happening there. I don't have to sweep as much water out of this area like I did in the previous storm. Alright, follow along for more, subscribe to Homeowner Sapien, and I'll catch you on the next video.